Soviet leader Mikhail Gorbachev, who triggered the collapse of the Soviet Union and changed the history of the world, died in Moscow at the age of 91. The last surviving Cold War leader played a major role in bringing the US-Soviet relations out of a deep freeze. Gorbachev's death was announced on Tuesday by Russian news agencies, who said that Gorbachev had died at a central hospital in Moscow after a serious and long illness. Russian President Vladimir Putin offered deep condolences over Gorbachev's death and will send an official telegram to his family in the morning, Kremlin spokesman Dmitry Peskov said in a statement. In a short span of 7 years, the duration for which Mikhail Gorbachev was in power, he unleashed a breathtaking series of changes, which resulted in the collapse of the Soviet Union, the freeing of Eastern European nations from Russian domination, and the end of decades of East-West nuclear confrontation. All these reforms made him one of the most influential leaders of his times. In a 1992 interview, Gorbachev, after leaving office, told the AP, "I see myself as a man who started the reforms that were necessary for the country and for Europe and the world. I'm often asked, would I have started it all again if I had to repeat it? Yes, indeed, with more persistence and determination." Mikhail Gorbachev won the 1990 Nobel Peace Prize for his role in ending the Cold War, a change for which the Russians blamed him. He also freed political prisoners, allowed open debate and multi-candidate elections, gave his countrymen freedom to travel, halted religious oppression, reduced nuclear arsenals, established closer ties with the West, and did not resist the fall of communist regimes in Eastern European satellite states. World leaders expressed condolences on Gorbachev's demise. Antonio Guterres, in a statement, praised Gorbachev as a one-of-a-kind statesman who changed the course of history and did more than any other individual to bring about the peaceful end of the Cold War. European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen hailed Gorbachev as a trusted and respected leader who opened the way for a free Europe. Macron described Gorbachev as a man of peace on Twitter early on Wednesday, saying he opened a path of liberty for Russians. The British leader Boris Johnson said he always admired the courage and integrity Gorbachev showed to bring the Cold War to a peaceful conclusion.